Hi, I'm Guld with Geeks On Tour, and ever since I got my first digital camera in 1999, I've taken lots of digital photos. Now with my smartphone, I take thousands of them. In the early days, I used Picasa to manage them all, and I liked Picasa so much that I wrote a book on it. But in 2015, Google Photos took over from Picasa. I now have nearly 100,000 photos in my Google Photos. And if you want to get the most out of Google Photos, I wrote this book for you. Let's take a look. So it is a complete reference. I hope that when you get it, you will skim through the whole book to get an understanding of Google Photos, and then you can use it to look up anything you want. Let's just take a little look at the table of contents. We start by explaining how your Google account is in control of everything, then getting started on mobile devices, collecting the rest of your life's photos, all the ones that are on your computer and other digital cameras, getting around in Google Photos, how to find the moments you're looking for. The search is amazing. Keeping your memories safe, talking about backups here. Editing, Google Photos has a great photo editor. Organizing with albums and favorites, sharing, and surrounding yourself with photos and creations. I love the photo books that Google Photos can make me. If you want to buy the book, please visit the companion website called learngooglephotos.com. You can scroll down, grab the book, learn more. Here are links to the different ways you can buy it, including the spiral bound edition. And then there is a complete description, chapter by chapter, of everything that's in the book.